Hi everyone, this is Imran Bhagwan. In today's lecture, we will see the exercise solution of 5th lesson of science of standard 7, that is food safety. In this lesson, we will see how to keep our food stuff safe, what are the different factors which affect or which spoil the food, and by the application of this knowledge only we can preserve our food for long time and we can save our money, time, energy. And if we will have healthy food, then only we will have healthy life. So this lesson is very important. So before going to question answer session, so if you have not subscribed this channel, so please press the subscribe button given below to this video and press the bell icon. So whenever we will upload our new video, immediately you will get notification for it. Okay, so subject science, 5th lesson is food safety. And question number 1 is complete the following statement by using correct option from those given below. 5 options are given here: irradiation, dehydration, pasteurization, natural, chemical. And we have 4 fill in the blanks, out of which first one is drying of food grain from farms under the hot sun is called. Okay, now drying of food grain. Drying of food grain is what we are doing. We are doing dry it. Means we are removing water or moisture from the grains under the hot sun condition. And this process, which option or which answer you will write for it? Irradiation, dehydration, pasteurization. Yes, the answer is dehydration, because the meaning of dehydration and dehydration is the process. It is a process of removal water or moisture from food stuff. Okay, so here dehydration, this answer will come here. Second one, material like milk are instantly cooled after heating up to a certain high temperature. This method of food preservation is called, yes, what is it called? Yes, it is pasteurization, because it is the process of heating food stuff in order to kill the harmful microorganism. So material like milk are instantly cooled after heating. For this, answer is pasteurization. Third one is salt is dash type of food preservative, and fourth one is vinegar is dash type of food preservative. Means these two are food preservative which is used to preserve food for long time. Okay, so irradiation, obviously this answer will not come here, because irradiation, it is not a preservative, it is the name of process. So we left with two answers only, that is natural and chemical. So salt, it is natural or chemical? Yes, salt is natural type of food preservative, and finally we left with one answer only, that is chemical. So vinegar is chemical type of food preservative. Second question, we have answered the following questions in your own word. So you may write your own answers also in your own words. So question is, how milk is pasteurized? In question, fill in the blanks only. I explained the meaning of pasteurization. So pasteurize, it is the process in which we heat the food stuff in order to kill the microorganism, which is harmful microorganism. So how milk is pasteurized? What we does at your home? Yes, first immediately we heat the milk. After certain temperature, after certain period of time, immediately we cool it. Okay, so this is the only process which is called pasteurization, which we use daily in our homes. So its answer is pasteurization is a process in which milk is heated to certain temperature for a fixed period of time and then is quickly cooled. This helps to kill any kind of microorganisms which is present in milk. Okay. Question number 2. Why should we not consume adulterated food materials? Adulterated food material means Adulterated food material means mixed quality of food. Some food material is not labeled properly, okay, and not pure. Like this food material called adulterated food material. So what will happen if you will consume adulterated food? Obviously it will affect your health, so we should not consume it. So its answer, you can write your own words also. So the process of substituting the quality of food, adding harmful substance to food, and giving false label to food is called food adulteration. Okay. We should not consume adulterated food because it can be harmful for our health. It can affect our nervous system, and sometimes it leads to renal and cardiac failure. Okay, so we should not consume adulterated food material because it may be harmful for us. Question number 3, what precautions do your parents take to keep foodstuffs safe? Okay, you people would have seen different methods in your home which your parents or your elders take, okay, to keep your food stuff safe. Okay, for example, dehydration also. Sometimes in sunny days, at home we make papad or different types of food stuff, and we dehydrate it, means we remove water from it. Okay, आपने देखा होगा आपके घर में डिफरेंट मेथड जो है एल्डर पीपल है वो यूज़ करते हैं फूड को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए, फूड को सेफ रखने के लिए. ओके, so there are different methods, so you can write any method which your parents take to keep your food stuff safe. So storing grain, pulses etc in dry condition, जो grains वगैरह होते हैं that should be keep in dry condition, okay, not in wet condition. ठीक है, आपने देखा होगा राइस है, ग्रेन्स है, पल्सेस है, ये फ्रीज में स्टोर करके नहीं रखते हैं. इट शुड बी कीप इन ड्राई कंडीशन. Another food stuff such as fruits, vegetables, etc. It should be keep in fruits, but there are some fruits like banana which we cannot keep in freezer. Okay. So making pickles and jam to increase the shelf life. If you make pickles or jam, you can preserve that food for long time. There are different methods. Dehydration is also one method to preserve food for long time. Okay, so there are different methods, so you can write answer in your own words also. I have written only 3 points here. Question number 4, how does food spoilage occur? Spoilage means food खराब किस तरह से होता है. How does food spoilage occur and which are various factor spoiling the food? food ख़राब किस तरह से होगा और कौन सी चीज़ों की वजह से वो ख़राब हो जाता है, कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं. सो इट्स आंसर इज द चेंज इन द स्टेट ऑफ फूड which make it unsuitable for human and animal consumption is called food spoilage. And food spoilage meaning of this term is change in the state of food. यानी food की जो state है, condition है, उसके अंदर अगर change आ गया, okay, it means if you are not getting proper smell, if its smell get changed, if its taste gets changed, okay, then that food is not suitable for human and animal for consumption, and this is called food spoilage. And what are the factors? Second part of this question is which are the factors spoiling the food? So there are different factors. First one is growth of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, etc. can lead to food spoilage. The microorganism we cannot see by our naked eye. हम हमारी आँख से देख नहीं सकते इतने जो microorganisms होते हैं उसके अंदर अगर develop हो जाते हैं which spoil the food. Insects like cockroach may infest the food and make them unsuitable for consumption. अगर कोई insect उसमें चला जाता है then also we should not consume that food. Wrong handling of product may also result in spoilage of food. If you are not handling it properly, time to time you are not giving it heat etc, then also our food make it spoiled. Overcooking is also a reason for spoilage of food. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, विच मेथड ऑफ फूड प्रिजर्वेशन वुड यू यूज, यानी आप कौन सा फूड प्रिजर्वेशन का मेथड यूज करते हो. डिफरेंट मेथड्स आर देयर, तो यू कैन राइट एनी. So first I am writing preservation by common salt. Common salt common salt is usually used to preserve meat and fish as it checks the growth of bacteria in this food. Okay, salt जो है, it is very important natural preservative which stop the growth of bacteria. Okay, so by salt also we can preserve our food. Second one is by using oil, preservation by oil or preservation by vinegar. Oil in vinegar is used to preserve vegetables, fruit, fish, meat, etc. They prevent food from getting spoiled and microorganisms cannot grow in such environment. One more method is that is preservation by sugar. So sugar is usually used to prevent jam, jellies and squashes. Sugar prevent spoiling of food by reducing moisture content of food, which inhibit the growth of bacteria. So different methods are used for different types of food. Okay, it depends what you are preparing or which type of food is this. Now question number 3, what shall we do, हमें क्या करना चाहिए if there are vendors selling uncovered sweet meat in open places in the market. अगर कोई अनकवर्ड स्वीट बेच रहा है मार्केट में तो आप क्या करोगे. Will you take from him or consume directly? No. Then what should you will do? We should not buy food from vendors who sells uncovered food. And second, it is our responsibility that we should convince him and we should tell him the importance of clean and healthy food. We should not take from him, and we should ask him to cover his food. Second question, pani puri wala is serving the pani puri with dirty hands. Okay, then what you will do? If pani puri wala is serving pani puri with dirty hands, then we should not consume it. We should tell him to wash hands and wear gloves while serving pani puri. Okay, we have purchased large quantity of fruits and vegetable. बहुत सारे fruits और vegetable at a time अगर purchase कर लेते हो आप, then what will you do? How will you preserve it? If you have purchased large number of fruits and vegetables, then we should store them properly. Then there are different methods of storage. Vegetables can cut and store in deep freezer. Some of the fruits can be used to make jam, jellies, etc. Okay, so the shelf life will increase because jam, jellies we can preserve for long times, for months also you can use this. Fourth question, we need to protect food stuff from pests like rats, cockroach, wall lizard, etc. Why? Food stuff can be protected from rats, cockroach, etc. by storing them in proper condition and proper areas. We should not keep food stuff at the place where the different insects may come in that food. Okay, we should be stored it in airtight containers, so no one or no insects will insert in that. So answers of question number 4, 5, 6 and 7 we will see in our next video. For getting the notification of next video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, so whenever we will upload our new video, immediately you will receive notification for it. And please subscribe this channel and share to your friends. Thank you for watching this video till the end.